Hey guys, this is project number 4 for the 100-day project. And what I'm going to do today is just take this long skinny paper bag that I've had and use these little chunky tags that I made during the project and just make a little chunky tag bag. So all I did was I just kind of laid out the tag to see how much space I needed for each one. And I just folded the bag accordingly. There's no direct measurements for this or anything. It's just the way that I laid it out. And the inside part here that's open, I'm going to go ahead and glue it shut because I don't plan on using this for anything. This is really flimsy here and it's probably going to get covered. First thing I want to do is just glue that shut. And I'm just going to use a little bit of stick glue. I didn't need it to come out that far, but oh well. And I'm going to go ahead and glue the sides shut because I don't need those either. I'm not going to be using them. There's no point in having them. I could leave them open, but why not just go ahead and glue them shut? That way they don't get in my way. So for now, this little area here is going to be the back page, and it has that little flap here. So the front's going to be the actual bottom of the bag. Okay? And then I'm just going to take my tags and I'm going to glue them on, but they're not going to be every page because I don't have enough. So on the odd pages that don't have a tag, we're going to put something else. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and glue down my individual tags. And I'm going to do that off camera after I show you the first one because it's just gluing. I'll just get this one on. I'm going to leave a little bit at the bottom, but not put it directly in the center. And then I'll hold it down, or I can clip it. I've got some clips here. I can clip it and let it sit until it is glued down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the back page of my book. And I already figured out that I wanted this one to be the back page. So that's going to go on the back. Let's go ahead and put a tag in here, like that. So when you open your book, you're going to have the front page, a tag, then flip it over, and there's a tag. You know what? Let's change that. Sorry, changing directions again. I'm not going to put a tag on the back. I'm going to leave it blank. I'm going to put something else on the back. So when you turn your book over, it will be blank until we do something else, and we'll put a tag in here, and we'll put a tag in here. Okay, so there's going to be a tag on every one of the fold-out pages as you turn it over. Okay, and you just put this in however you want. You know, I'm just kind of winging it, so you just fold your bag however it fits your tag, whatever size tag you have, and glue your tags in wherever you want them. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my tags in, and I will be right back. Okay, I have all my little chunky tags glued on, and what I did was I put a tag here, blank, tag, blank, tag, blank, tag, blank, tag, blank. And then I remembered that I had torn these apart and used only part of them, so I have extras here. This was an actual box that I assembled as one of those cascading flip boxes where you take off the lid and all these little pages flop out. And I tore them all apart, so I have all these extra pieces left over. And so this is the actual bottom of the box. So this is going to be the back of our page. And it actually kind of corresponds with the front because this is the same paper. So that will work really good. So I'm going to put that on the back. And then I realized when I was going through to try to figure out which ones would go on each page that I have corresponding papers, and I should have known because, you know, I tore them apart. But I'd forgotten. It's been a while. But this one is the pocket one that we didn't use, and it corresponds with this paper. So I'm going to put it here. And this one here is a pocket also. Here's the pocket for this one. It corresponds. So I'm going to put that one here. And then on the back, I've got a corresponding paper for here. So it's going to go here. And then for this one, I've got a corresponding paper for here. So it'll go there. And then I have these two left over. All I'm going to do now is continue gluing the corresponding parts that were torn apart from these little chunky tags that I made and glue them on the pages. All right, all my little tags or tabs or box parts or whatever they are at the point that we're using them are glued in. So here's what my little bag looks like. Open it this way. keep flipping. And there's little spots for journaling or pictures or adding more in. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to let it be as is. Or you can just go ahead and open your book like this. And then turn over and open it like that. So what I want to do now, I'm going to leave this in its natural state. I like it like that. So I went in and got some jute, which is very natural. And I'm going to just tie it around here. I'm probably going to glue this on the back here. And I'm just going to get a little strip here, long enough to tie a bow. And I'm not using the 2 extra pieces that I have here. I'll use those in another project at another time. They'll go back in the scrap pile. Okay, so there's my little bow on the front. And I'm just going to tack a little piece of glue on the back just to hold my jute on. In fact, I'm not even going to do that right now because I may want to put something on here and I don't want this glued down. So I'm going to leave it just like this for now. Okay, so we have our little book. We're done with this project. So I'll see you for project number 5. See you later. Bye-bye.